10 militants have been arrested across 6 districts in Manipur. 66 Maoists have surrendered before senior police and CRPF officials. Following talks between PM Modi and his British counterpart, India and UK have finalised a defence industrial roadmap for joint design, development and production of key defence systems for global exports. The Ministry of Defence has signed a 2,000 crore rupees contract with Bharat Electronics Limited for the supply of air defence fire control radars to the Indian Army with over 70% indigenous content. Prime Minister Modi has arrived in Maldives to a warm welcome from Maldives President and key ministers. He will attend the Maldives Independence Day, becoming the first foreign leader officially hosted by Maldives President since taking office. India and Nepal held Home Secretary-level talks in New Delhi after a 9-year gap. India has issued a Notam warning for a designated range of 220 kilometers for a missile test. Indian Navy warships have made a port call in Vietnam. Indian Navy's INS Sandhayak hydrographic survey ship has arrived in Jakarta for a 3-day visit to boost hydrographic cooperation with Indonesia. The BSF has shown strong interest in acquiring the Archer SR UAV for operations along the 4,096 kilometers India-Bangladesh border. Hindustan Shipyard Limited has completed the fastest ever refit of an EKM-class submarine of Indian Navy and is in discussions with the Vietnam People's Navy for submarine refits. A Hindustan Aeronautics Rolls-Royce joint venture will invest £30 million to expand its manufacturing facility in Tamil Nadu, aiming to boost aerospace component production capacity. An Indian company exported $1.4 million worth of HMX high explosive used in missiles and torpedoes to Russia, despite US warnings of sanctions on entities aiding Moscow's war effort. Godrej Aerospace has won a contract from Pratt & Whitney to manufacture and supply complex engine components for aircraft engine applications. German firm Renk has opened a new facility in Tamil Nadu to produce gearboxes and components for Arjun tank and INS Vikrant, supporting both local and global supply chains. From October 2025, the Indian Air Force's fighter squadron strength will drop to 29, bringing it close to Pakistan's 25 squadrons, and far behind China's 66 squadrons. The DRDO has successfully test-fired the 10 km range UAV-launched precision-guided missile, featuring a fire-and-forget dual-mode RF seeker and imaging infrared seeker, and the missile successfully struck static targets in both day and night conditions. The Royal Malaysian Air Force is in early talks with Hindustan Aeronautics and Brahmos Corporation to integrate the Brahmos-A launched cruise missile. The Royal Malaysian Air Force has sought details on the structural modifications and costs needed to carry the 2.5-ton Brahmos missile. In a big development, the Indian Air Force has proposed acquiring 3 squadrons of 5th-generation fighter jets as an interim measure, until the indigenous AMCA is ready for induction by 2035. In a presentation to the government, the Air Force has emphasized the need for stealth-capable fighters to bridge the capability gap, and the Empowered Committee led by Defense Secretary R.K. Singh has fully backed the Indian Air Force proposal. The US has offered its F-35A and Russia has offered its SU-57, and the aircraft offering better cost efficiency, greater scope for technology transfer, and stronger alignment with India's self-reliance goals will be selected. Rolls-Royce's Power Systems division has offered its advanced MTU Series 199 hybrid power pack for India's futuristic infantry combat vehicle program, which already powers NATO vehicles like the Ajax and the Boxer. The hybrid propulsion blends high-performance diesel with battery-electric technology that offers enhanced stealth with low acoustic and thermal signatures, better fuel efficiency and tactical mobility. Today's top 3 comments.